Hey Blackhawks! In this video, I'll be talking to you about your grade point average, also known as your GPA. So what is a GPA? A GPA is, just as the name implies, the average of your grades added up all together. Now, most grades start your ninth grade year, but some of you are in some pre-AP courses, and so you are actually working on your GPA already. If you're not sure if any of your classes count towards your actual high school GPA, ask your teacher. They'll know. Why is a high GPA important? Well, first of all, it determines your class rank. If there are 180 students in your graduating class and you make a bunch of Fs and a couple of Ds, first of all, you're not going to graduate. But you're going to be at the higher end of your class rank. You might be ranked 180 out of 180. That's nothing to brag about. On the other hand, if you make a lot of A's, you're going to be considered in the first few students of your class rank. And if you're valedictorian, that means that you're first out of 180 students. And if you're salutatorian, that means you're second out of 180 students. That gives you bragging rights. And valedictorians and salutatorians always give speeches at their graduation ceremonies because it's an honor of distinction. I can let you know that I was ranked third in my class, and I was really upset about that. I was really shooting for the salutatorian spot. Another reason it's important to maintain a high GPA is because you can get free money to go to college just based on your GPA. For example, the Arkansas Academic Challenge Scholarship, you have to have a 2.5 GPA as one of the requirements. Another reason you want to have a high GPA is because you can get into honors programs. I know that right now, in order to get in to be considered in the honors program at the U of A, you have to have a 3.9 GPA. You want to be in honors programs because you get perks like smaller class sizes, first picks on the nicest campuses, like apartments and residences, and you get priority registration, which means you get to register first for your college classes. That means you don't have to get up early for those 8 o'clock classes in the mornings. And finally, most colleges require a GPA minimum and will not accept you if your GPA is too low. So keep an eye on your GPA. So how do you calculate a GPA? It's on a point system. You get 4 points for every A, 3 points for Bs, 2 points for Cs, 1 point for a D, and 0 points for an F because you failed the course. You get no credit. Fun fact. When you start getting into the 10th, 11th, and 12th grade and taking AP courses, not pre-AP courses yet, but when you take AP courses, if you make an A, you get a weighted 5 points, which can really help you boost your GPA. Just like with all averages, you add up the points from all of your classes and then divide by how many classes you have. Most of you have 7 classes, so you'll be dividing by 7. Now, you can do that with just a pen and paper, or you can go to gpacalculator.net and calculate it that way. All you have to do is plug in your classes, plug in your grades, give yourself a one weighted credit, and tell it regular, and it will tell you what your cumulative GPA is. Okay, that's it for now. Bye, guys.